If you've lived in South Louisiana long enough, you already know the water always finds a way. And if it's not draining properly, it's working its way toward your home. Poor drainage shows up in ways you might not expect. Soft, soggy spots in the yard, water pooling near your foundation, erosion that slowly wears away the soil protecting your home. At W.C.K, we take a comprehensive approach. We map how water moves across your property. We measure slopes. We track the water's path from roof to ground to foundation, so we know exactly where the problem starts and how to fix it. We install professional-grade channel drains, catch basins, and PVC pipe. We tie downspouts into the drainage system. We add sump pumps where needed. And we make sure the water flows away from your foundation for good. Finally, we backfill, clean up, and restore your yard, leaving it better protected and ready for the next storm. And peace of mind, knowing you've protected your home from the ground up. Don't wait. Call W.C.K. today for your free drainage estimate.